Hello, my name is Mohammad Amin Moher, and this is my PLC project 2. Before starting my program, I wanna explain some details. First of all, we have two lights here and here. One of them related to alarm, and one of them related to fault section. For example, when the part stock doesn't have enough part and the feed part sensor doesn't sense anything, the yellow light turns on, and when this system has a fault, the red light turns on. This part shows how many parts pick up, and this part shows how many parts press, and the average pick and place cycle time shows that time, and this part shows average press cycle time per millisecond. Here we can see the part height per millimeter that's measured by this sensor, and here we can see pressure per psi that's measured by this sensor. In this part we can see the last pick and place cycle time, and here we can see the last press cycle time per second. So I start my program. So the first pallet goes through here, and the first part picked and put it on the pallet. The second one put it here, and the pallet goes through the press station. We can see the value of in my interface. The part counter is 4, and this sensor sense a part, and the part counter is increasing. When click on a load part, the yellow light turns off. Thank you.